Before there was anything, there was geometry. The Mandelbulb is a three-dimensional fractal, a shape defined not by any hand, but by a single equation applied to every point in space. The rule is simple. Take a number, transform it. If it stays bounded, that point belongs to the shape. If it escapes, it doesn't. What emerges is this. No one designed these ridges. No one sculpted these valleys. They were already there, waiting inside the mathematics, the same way a cave waits inside a mountain. The surface is infinite. Every fold you see contains more folds. Every ridge, another ridge inside it. You could descend forever and never reach the bottom of what's here. Mathematicians call this self-similarity. I call it proof that complexity doesn't require a plan. It only requires a rule applied without end. This is form without intention, structure without a designer, beauty without purpose. Or maybe that's what purpose always was.